What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and today I wanted to talk about my Minimalist Media Center with LoveSac Sactional. So let's go ahead, let's jump right into it. So the first thing I wanted to talk about here is my media center, which is actually a glass bookshelf that I picked up from an office supply store. Going against traditional media center setups which organize hardware horizontally, the glass bookshelf allows me to organize hardware vertically. This allows me to save space and allows me to create several different setups. With this setup, the hardware is also placed behind the user, which makes for a nice clean gaming experience or video watching experience. So let's go ahead and talk about my hardware. On the first shelf here I have an Nvidia Shield Android TV, my wireless router and modem. On the next shelf here I have an Epson EX7230 projector, which seems to do a good job, and some Blackweb speakers. The third shelf here contains an Xbox One S and 2 gamepads. The last shelf here houses a Blackweb subwoofer, which does a pretty good job at producing bass. Alright, so on my shelf I actually installed some LED lights here too. It's a LED package that I actually picked up from Lowe's. Hopefully I'm going to pronounce this correctly, but I believe it's called Siron. I'm going to try and get a link of that. But this here is nice because it allows you to change the colors here. Right now I have it on a setting that where I snap my fingers, or if music were playing, it would be going to the beat of the music. But you can also change all these colors. I'm going to go ahead and scroll through them really quick. Okay, so I do want to say, to make all this work, you do need to have some form of cable management. Now, after all the work I've done, I have a lot of cables. It doesn't look so bad, but there are still cables that are showing. So that's a goal that I'm continuously working on. And I'm gonna see if maybe I can find the link for the cable management that I got here. It's actually really nice and simple to use. So obviously I have this shelf here for the Xbox One S. What I'm thinking I can possibly do in the future is get a stand for it, and that could stand upright, and then I can move the game pads to a lower shelf here. And then when I get a 2-in-1, hopefully it'll be a Chromebook, and I'll want to review that too in a future video. That can be placed right on this shelf right next to the Xbox One S. The next thing I wanted to talk about is the LoveSac Sactional, which allows me to do several different configurations, such as this movie theater setup. Because the pieces are easy to move around, moving to the next setup is super easy. As you can see, we can place all the pieces together and put a mattress on top, and now we have a place to sleep and relax. The great thing about the LoveSac Sactional is that the pieces are easy to move around. This makes cleaning and vacuuming an easy task. Okay, so that is it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you like it. And if you have any thoughts or suggestions, also comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Until next time, Leon checking out.